Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Alton. This is one of the most unused things when it comes to buying a new automobile or even your older automobile. Nobody primarily gets into programming their Homelink system to their garage. Now, the car that we're going to be using is the car right here behind me. This happens to be a 2012 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Of course, I have full access to this vehicle. This is one of the vehicles I have in my fleet of vehicles. This is a 2012 model, and one of the things that we're going to be doing is programming this particular vehicle to the garage door. You can see in the distance there is the one that we're going to be programming to the automobile. There is step 1, and then there's also stage 2. So there's stages, stage 1, stage 2. Most people will have a stage 1 garage where it's only one step. That's simply where you program this to your automobile. If it's the stage 2, you program this to your automobile, and then of course you program the garage motor, which happens to be on the roof, which we'll cover that. You program that to the car after programming your transmitter. So this little thing right here is what most people will have on the sun visor of their vehicle, but that's no longer. If you own a Mercedes-Benz, this is the process and the steps you must take. A couple things I always love to do is show you the dash of the vehicle that I'm going to be using as a prop for today's video. First things first, you're going to go right up under your rearview mirror, which is placed right at your windshield. Of course, if you don't know that, definitely check back with your sales professional. We're going to press 1 and 3. You can see the indicator there, which is in orange. So I'm going to back out a little bit, but pay attention to the indicator. Right now it's a solid orange. I'm sorry, I actually released. Now, if you messed up, it's going to glow in red. So I'm going to go ahead and clear that out. Press 1 and 3 again. Indicator is orange. So we're going to stick with this shot. Pay attention to the indicator there. Normally it takes about 20 seconds to clear. It's clear, so you can see the indicator turns green. All you're going to do is right up underneath, press any button to go ahead and clear that out. Now, Mercedes is a little bit different, and the primary reason why I'm bringing you this video is simply because now I'm going to press 1. With the normal car, you would particularly hold your transmitter up against the rearview mirror, and you would press and hold 1 and your transmitter at the same time. But we're not going to do that because Mercedes is different. What we're going to do, we're not going to press your transmitter at all. We're going to press 1 and hold. Indicator turns orange. Now you can see it's blinking. Now all I'm going to do is get right up as near as I can and press and hold the garage door opener. Notice the indicator turned green. So that just simply lets me know it's now programmed to my transmitter. All I'm going to do is press 1 again, and that just locks it in. Now to open, pull up to your garage, press and hold 1, and the garage in the back, as you can see, is moving. And when you get up to your garage, it's not a quick punch. It's one of those things you want to press and hold for 2 seconds. So now we have the transmitter programmed to the car using the rearview mirror. If this does not work, so in other words, if you drive up to your home, you press and hold the 1 button and your garage door does not move, that simply means you have a 2-stage garage, or either you've messed up on the first process. So clear again, program your transmitter back to your rearview mirror, and if it still does not work, you have a 2-stage garage. Now with a 2-stage garage, let's go inside. We're going to be doing the garage door opener, and of course, if you've already programmed your transmitter to your car, this may be the second step. Now this is only needed if you are a 2-stage garage. If you have a 2-stage garage. Once you program the transmitter to the car, now you're going to program the garage door opener to the car itself to complete the process. And of course, we're working off of the Mercedes-Benz C-Class. I know it's a 2012, but 2012, 13, 14, a lot of times you'll find with the manufacturers, they continue to do something as the model year goes on. So once you have located the motor, and it's very easy to do because it's the only thing on your garage ceiling, you can see right inside, see the little orange thing there? That's actually where your wiring goes in for your power. If you look right up under that, I don't know if you can see that, there's a little yellow button. You can see it right up in the cut there. there's a little yellow button. That's going to be your discovery button. Once you press that button, then you're going to go back to the car, and you only have 15 minutes to do so. I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like. So let's make our way back to the car. So once I've hit the discovery button and we've made our way back to the car, the discovery button gives you right at about 30 seconds. You have to make your way back to your car, so go ahead and leave your car running. Within that time, go back to your car, press and hold 1 for 2 seconds, release. Press and hold 1 again for 2 seconds, release. And typically by the time you get to the third attempt, you can press and hold 1 for 2 seconds, and your garage door should start moving as such. That is with a 2-stage garage. Now remember, you have to hit the discovery button on the back of the motor, make your way back to your car, and it only gives you 30 seconds to do so, and press and hold 1, 2, or 3, whichever one you program your transmitter to. 2 seconds, release, 2 seconds, release, 2 seconds, release, and as soon as it picks up, as soon as your garage starts to move, you're fine. We're gonna go ahead and open it back up. Oh, sorry. Didn't even listen to my own message. Press and hold for 2 or 3 seconds in order for the garage door to open, and open sesame. Hey, it's nice to see that you're still with me. Today, of course, still popping Macy's. Just want to explain a little bit about where I'm rocking today. So you have the Adidas polo shirt. This is very nice because it's hot outside. You want to stay cool. This is also your Hager classic fit, cool 18 on the pants. Very nice and comfy. And today I'm actually rocking both along with your Dockers Haze. Of course, these are your business casual shoes. Very nice in the natural brown.